What if I told you there are AI tools that can save you hours every single day, and most people have no idea they exist? In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that feel almost illegal to know. And trust me, you'll want to use at least one of these today. Let's start with something you may already know, but probably not using to its full potential: ChatGPT. This isn't just a chatbot. It can write content, generate ideas, summarize documents, and even help you automate your daily tasks. For example, you can ask it to write emails, create YouTube scripts, or even plan your entire day. And now, with newer updates, it can understand context better and give more accurate responses than ever before. Next, Canva. If you think Canva is just for simple designs, think again. With its AI features, you can generate presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, and even videos in minutes. Just type what you want, and Canva creates it for you. No design skills needed. Now here's a hidden gem: Claude. Claude is incredibly good at understanding long documents. You can upload PDFs, reports, or even books, and it will summarize everything for you. Clean, simple, and surprisingly accurate. Next up, Runway. This tool feels like the future. You can generate videos, edit footage, and even remove backgrounds using AI. It's like having a mini video studio powered by artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about voice. ElevenLabs. This tool can turn text into ultra-realistic human voice. You can create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, or even audiobooks. And the best part? It sounds incredibly natural. Next, Notion AI. If you take notes or manage tasks, this will change everything. It can write notes for you, summarize meetings, and organize your thoughts instantly. It's like having a smart assistant inside your workspace. And finally, a bonus tool that completely changes how you search the internet: Perplexity AI. Think of it like Google, but smarter. Instead of showing you links, it gives you direct answers with sources. You can ask complex questions, do research, or even compare tools, and it will give you clear, accurate results in seconds. For example, you can ask, "Best free AI tools for beginners," and it will instantly give you a complete answer with references. No need to open multiple tabs or waste time searching. This is one of the fastest ways to get reliable information using AI. So, these are 7 AI tools that can save you hours every day. Now I'm curious, which tool surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple AI content like this.